Hello guys, welcome back. So this is Monday, the 21st of July 2025. Okay, so this was the trade I took on Friday, the 18th of July. As you can see, if you check my previous video I posted on Friday, which I I thought I had posted it only to find out later that the trade was actually um in my private video. So I really apologize for that. And if you go back to watch it, it's about 15 minutes long and you will see when I took this exact trade. Okay. So this is a trade. As you can see, I'm running on profit, more profit on USD JPY. As you can see, then GBP JPY sell is also on negative. So the way we do it in pairs trading is that we subtract the profit, subtract the loss from the profit, right? So we always make more profit than the loss, right? So that is why it's pair trading, right? So this one would do minus um $59, right? So as you can see, the profit so far that I've made on this account, currently I'm floating on $56.69, right? So as of last week, it was $7 when I posted that video, right? And it went on a little bit of drawdown last week towards the close of Friday, right? But as you can see on Monday, today, I'm already floating on profit, right? So this is the idea, or this is what I've been trying to share with you guys and to let you know about, right? So it has been for a very long time. Best trading has been in existence for a very long time, and um, so many people have taken advantage of it, right? So many edge firms, right? So many um, retail and smart money traders have been taking advantage of this, using it. They most of them don't do it manually the same way I'm doing it, but it's the same principle they are using, right? So many people have been using this, using giant computers. So computers or system makes trade, this kind of trade for them, right? So the calculation, it will do the calculations, the all the statistical terms, the divergence percentage, which I am doing right now, the divergence percentage, which is minus 10, minus 0.10, minus bracket minus 0.32 equals to 0.22 percentage of JPY. Okay, so there are other things that are involved in this, which the giant computer does, right? But you can also do it manually, which I prefer actually, because trading manually is better off for me, so that you can be able to regulate. I'll be able to regulate and know exactly what I'm doing, right? So know exactly what I'm doing. If I'm taking a trade, I know that yes, it was intentionally, right? I intentionally took this trade on Friday. So I'll be closing the trade when it is right for me to do it, to do so. So there are a lot of things, like I said, we checked. There are a lot of things I checked before taking a trade, and there are a lot of things I checked before exiting a trade. So this trade is actually ripe for harvest, right? For taking profit. It's actually ripe. So my signal, right, is telling me that I can close the trade. So I can go ahead and close the trade. Okay, so this is it. So during those period of when I was in trade, I never panicked for once, because I knew that everything, since I've gotten everything right, everything that I needed to do, I've taken them I am safe, right? So this is how to trade with peace of mind. So imagine people that are trading today, gold went up, right? And so many people try to buy gold, they still lose. They lose their money because of stop loss and the rest, right? But with pairs trading, you don't need to know if gold is going up. You can actually trade gold, but not XAU USD now. It is XAU Euro and XAU AUD, right? So you can trade XAU Euro and XAU USD as a pair. Yes. So, but you have to be very, very careful when trading them. That's why this course I'm talking about is so important for you to take the trade, because if you do go your way and start trading with best trading based on the knowledge you got from maybe anywhere else without proper mentorship, you need proper mentorship. If you go about doing it yourself your way, you're going to come back um, crying that best trading doesn't work, whereas you are the one that makes it ineffective yourself by trying to rush it, by trying to do it your way, by trying to text if it actually works, and you end up giving up even before you start. So don't give up before you start um, by doing it yourself. So you need mentorship. It doesn't have to be me. If you know somebody else that do best trading, right? You can always sign up for the course and just pay. Just do your due diligence by paying for the knowledge. You cannot learn anything worthwhile without paying for it. You have to pay in time. You have to pay in um yes, with cash, pay in time, and you'll be good to go. So that is what I want to show you guys this evening. And as you can see, I am floating on profit. So I will go ahead. If I see more trade, I can take more trade. And for this one, I have already closed on profit. So until my signal tells me to take that trade, that is when I can take the trade. So as you can see how confident I am taking trade, and that is what I'm preaching to you. That's what I am telling you. You don't have to be wasting your money trying to predict the market. The market is forex trading should be treated as a business, right? It should be treated as a business. Don't rush this thing. Don't rush it. Even when you register for pairs trading and you start trading with pairs trading, you still need to be patient. Patient for the first one, you need to be patient to learn it. You need to be patient to pass through the mentorship. You need to be patient when you start trading. You need to be patient to use the correct lot size. You need to be patient to use the proper risk management. You need to be patient to wait for your trades, right? Set up to wait for your profit and waiting for so many things, right? So in the mentorship, you have access to me or to the person that is teaching you. You have full access. But if you are coming that you want to learn and you are not ready to make commitment, the person teaching you will not be able to give you everything that you need to succeed in this, right? So that is it. So if you are interested, once again, you can always reach out to me and let's go. So, and if you are not interested or you claim to be interested and you are not ready to pay for the course, please don't contact me. I keep saying it because um people are coming to my DM to tell me that they are interested, whereas they are not, because they are not ready to make commitment. So the course is not free. The course is not free. So if you are coming to learn it, know that you are going to be paying. So thank you so much. Once again, I want to thank every of my subscribers for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate it. Is one of the motivating factor. What is motivating me to keep posting on the channel. So do well to subscribe if you are listening to me Do well to subscribe, do well to like my video, and thank you so much for um for watching, and I will see you in the next video.